Alright guys, it's been a minute. I don't know if you recognize this. This is the Holy Stone HS700D, or what is it's just the Holy Stone 700D. I don't know, I'll put the name on screen for you. But anyways, we're taking this for a flight test. Very excited. As you can see in the back right there, I have 2 batteries and 1 battery in the drone. Obviously controller is running on its AA's, so we're all good with that. We're taking this out for a flight test today. By the way, just want to say, if I sound weird, I just got my wisdom teeth pulled out a couple days ago, so that's that. Anyways, very excited. It's been about 5 months. The last time I flew this was when I made the reviews, which I will link in the description, by the way, so go check that out. Link for the review in the description. Last time I flew this drone was the last time I made a video on it. So anyways, let's get right into the video. Alright everyone, so start off, hold the power button down like this. Yellow lights will flash. Next up, turn your controller on like that. Wait for 2 beeps. Those are the 2 beeps. Now you see these yellow lights flashing. That means we're going to calibrate it. So we're going to spin it horizontally like this until the lights turn green. So once the lights turn green, as you can see, angled up, rotate it like so. All right, now we have red and yellow. Sticks down into the left for gyro calibration. As you can see, it's going a little bit crazy right now. And now we're just going to give it a second. It has 0 satellites. That's why the back ones are yellow. Those lights should be green when you're ready to go. So we're just going to give it a minute. All right, green lights in the back, as you can see. Now to arm the motors, we go down and in. Motors are armed. Now we can go up throttle like that. So there it is, it's flying. Now also, if you want to take off or land, there is this button right here, so we can just press that button and we're going to land it right now, but you can also take off with it. And it disarmed itself. Alright guys, this drone isn't really perfect, but it's pretty solid. There it is out there. Really just a speck in the sky for you, but we're going to do a return to home test. Should just land right out in front of us over here, so we're going to hit the return to home button and see how accurate it is. All right, so I would say we probably took off maybe about 5 feet away or so from where it's landing right now. Not horrible. Let's aim the camera up. It's down. It should disarm itself. There we go. It disarmed itself. All right, so now we're going to start off with testing some of its features. Right now, as you can see on the screen, we are doing point of interest or orbit mode, however you want to phrase it. Now, unfortunately, it's like I said, it's not a really expensive drone. It's really a budget drone. It's not going to do a whole ton of features like you would get with, let's say, a DJI Mavic drone, obviously. So you can't really like select a certain object and then orbit around that. You select, you have your point of interest and then it just orbits around that. One thing that I do like, though, is when you are in your orbit, it does allow you to raise and lower the drone. So that's pretty cool. I like that feature a lot. If you want to get a cool shot as it's orbiting, you can raise it, or as it's orbiting, you can lower it. So that's cool. Alright, now it is time for the follow me feature. Now obviously, as I said, same with the orbit mode and the follow me, it's not a DJI or really expensive, so you get what you pay for, and especially that applies with drones here. It is a simple GPS follow, so it just follows the GPS in your phone and it tracks you. Right now I'm starting to run and it's still keeping along with me pretty well. And in a moment here, I'm going to run towards the drone and show you that it can still follow. As you can see right there, even if you turn, the drone turns with you and it makes sure to stay. Alright, now I'm out in front of it. Now at this point, I'm walking towards, and you can't really see it in the camera because the camera's tilted up, but I am chasing the drone or walking towards, and the drone is moving back. So that is a benefit of a GPS follow me. So time for the next feature. We're just going to make our way into the map, and we're doing the waypoints, active track, whatever you want to call it. That's up next. So basically all you need to do is select your points. Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just going to do that really quickly, and it will follow those points. I find that it goes kind of slow, but I mean, it does follow the points, and it does what it says it does, so it works and everything. So there's nothing really too wrong with that. Although personally, I don't really use this feature too much because honestly, really, I just fly my DJI or expensive drones for filming and stuff and getting cool videos. But I really just fly these, budget drones around just for fun and just enjoying them. So I don't really use this feature a whole ton. But hey, if you're a person who does use this, this is a good option for you. Alright, so just some more waypoints for you. I wanted to make this segment right here, that way I could just let you know, this is very important. You obviously need to be in the app if you want to do that. So you can't just select, let's say, I'm doing my 4 points, and then hit, go or submit your points, and then exit out of the app. Because if you exit out of the app, then it'll just stop and it'll just hold its place in the air. So I wish it would continue if you exited out of the app. I was hoping to actually video it moving and doing the waypoint so I could show you guys, but oh well, that doesn't work. So a nice little feature that they threw in that I enjoy is that you can look out the camera view and you don't have to be staring at the map while it's actually moving and it's in its waypoints. Also, if you want, you can also draw your points. I'm just drawing a little swirl right now, but you can also draw your waypoints. Alright everyone, so once you hit low battery on your drone, those lights will turn flashing red and immediately return to home. I'm really shocked on how slowly this comes down. It's coming down right now. It's in return to home and it's coming down, but it takes a real long time to come down. It's really slow. One thing really quickly, just wanted to cut in and tell you guys one problem I have with this drone. Actually, it's not even really with the drone. It's the Affiliate GPS app. The app sucks. I mean, there's some good features on it and stuff, but it constantly crashes as soon as you get out to about 170 or so meters. It gets really glitchy, and for me, like I said, it crashed on me twice, actually. So, not the greatest, but oh well. Alright, so some people are really picky. I don't know if you really care that much, but for about a 30-second clip here, I'm just going to give you a noise test because, some people don't like noisy drones. They don't want to make a whole lot of noise while they're flying. So I'm going to shut up, that way you can hear how loud this thing actually is. It's always good to do flight tests for these drones. I like them personally because, if you're new to the drone, I really just show you guys how to do things like activating different features such as orbit mode. We went over that. Waypoints. We went over that. Follow me. We did all that sort of stuff, and it all worked fine. This is a pretty good drone. I like it a lot. Fun to fly. Looks kind of cool. So, like I said, I guess I'd recommend it if you find it for the right price. Obviously, you don't want to overpay. There's plenty of drones out there you can find for around this budget that perform at about this level. There's a lot of $200 or so drones out there. Anyways, I'll leave a link in the description for this drone if you want to buy it. Like I said, my review too, so make sure to go check those links out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing. I make videos on drones like this, and I also review RC planes. So I would recommend that you check out my channel also if you're into drones too. And you want to win a free one, I'm doing a 500 subscriber giveaway where I am giving away a GPS drone. Obviously, it's not going to be a multi-$100 drone, but it will have GPS, and it's a free drone. And considering it's a 500 subscriber giveaway, you have pretty good odds of winning compared to, you know, big channels with tons and tons of subscribers. So thanks for watching if you're still here, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.